push you a little bit more, Sachin. Let me put you said you won't talk about it, fair enough. You don't want to talk about it, leave Virat to do the talking. I get that. But the timing is very similar. 2014, we were about to embark on a tour of Australia. 2020, we are about to embark on a tour of Australia, and your friend BCCI President Sourav Ganguly tells me on the same show some weeks back that he thinks this is the most important series of Virat's career. Now, if I know right, you will also be in Dubai. He will be in Dubai for the IPL. So will be several others, Rohit, Ajinkya and the others. Now, if they want you to help them again, ahead of such a tour of Australia, is Sachin Tendulkar going to do that for the country and for them again? Will you say that at least to me?
Well, my doors are always open, not only during IPL, but my doors are always open, and I'm in touch with the players. If they want to come and discuss something, I'm more than open to have a chat with them. IPL is a great news for all of us, because a number of other sports have resumed. I've been watching a bit of football, Formula One, Test cricket in England. So it's nice that IPL will be played now in the UAE. And for a change, we will be discussing other numbers. The statistics that we'll be discussing and talking about would be the strike rates and the run rate, and not about COVID-19, how many cases have increased today, and what are the doctors projecting. So those numbers are not, something that one would want to hear. We want to hear something else now. I know that people, after having gone to work, and when they come back having a strenuous day, they would have something else to talk about. It would be Mumbai or Bangalore or Delhi or whichever team which is topping the table, and not those cities topping the COVID table. The cases should come down. I'm hoping and praying that the cases come down, and the strike rate and the run rate, all those numbers are in the forefront. I just feel that this is great news, not only for athletes, but it's going to do a lot of good to all the people, where they'll be able to distract their mind, and some would surely have a smile on their face.
I'm glad you said that, because there is so much need of positivity in this country. Sachin, my time's running out. So my last question, something again you refuse to talk about. So let me probe you a little bit more, because today is the day. It's Independence Day. I mean, this is the day when we celebrate. We so much sort of think about the idea of India. During the COVID lockdown period or recent times, I was reading that you've sort of taken care of 13,000 people, helped them with ration and basic sort of facilities. And more recently, I also read that you went and opened a plasma bank in Mumbai, encouraged people to sort of contribute blood plasma to save more lives. Can you talk to me about that side of yours? Because we hardly get to know about this side of yours, what you do in this second innings.
Well, in my second innings, I've always said that I'll continue to bat for India. I would want my bat to do all the talking. So I think we should do the best that we can, and together as a team, add value to whatever you are trying to do as individuals. It is important not to compare or judge someone